In a forgotten village, hiccups were feared. They whispered of a curse, a demon lurking in the diaphragm, waiting to seize control. One night, young Elara felt the first jolt, a hiccup that echoed like a sinister laugh. Each spasm pulled her deeper into a shadowy realm where time twisted and reality frayed. Her breath quickened, not from fear, but from the demon's grip tightening. Villagers watched, helpless, as Elara's eyes glazed over, her soul slipping into the void. The final hiccup came, and she vanished, leaving only an eerie silence. "Beware the hiccups," they said, "for they are the demon's call." Like, comment, and subscribe for more chilling tales.